Hello there, how are you doing? Now in this lesson, we're going to only touch about regular expression, alright? Because regular expression on its own is a huge topic, and there are books or courses built just to explain the regular expression, okay? So that doesn't mean we can't get the understanding of regular expression. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to just give you a very basic overview. So regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a pattern. So it's just like creating a variable. Okay. For example, if I create RE, I mean to say regular expression. All right. So this is a string. So we cannot use this string as a regular expression. Instead, to use as a regular expression, we have to put inside the two backslashes. All right. Two slashes, and inside whatever we write, it becomes a regular expression. Okay, so this is a regular expression. So it's hello. So regular expression methods, there are test and match. These are the regular expression methods, and you can also use regular expression on strings using string methods such as match, search, replace, and split. Now we're going to cover string type probably in the next section. All right. So you create a regular string using new keyword. So you can create a regular expression using a new keyword or using these two slashes, and this is much better. This is easier, and this is a much practical way of creating a new regular expression. You can also create a regular expression, for example, r equals to new. This way also you can create a new regular expression. All right, so you define what you want to do inside. So this is one way, using the regular expression constructor, or the other way is using the backslash. Okay, so here I have a very simple regular expression. It just checks the word hello. Okay, and I have a sentence here which is a hello word. I want to test if this sentence has this regular expression. So what I can do is this is the regular expression, dot test, which is a method you get with regular expression. So regular expression, using this test method, I'm testing this sentence to see if this contains this hello word, a hello word. Okay, and refresh, and it's true. Okay, so if it didn't contain hello, let's see this, and it's false because it doesn't have the hello word. Okay, so that is absolute basic. I have another example here, and this one shows. So this is another regular expression. So as I told you, we create regular expression using these two slashes. Okay, it's two slashes, and then what I've done here is I use this. You find it on your keyboard on the number 6. So this represents the beginning. All right, and then D, it means the digit. Okay, it's looking for digit, and then how many digits you want to find out. You want to find out 3. So I had to escape the digit, so I use this sign here, and then I want to find 3 digits. Okay, and then this $sign means the end, and that's about it. It's the end. So this is how I created this regular expression. So this is the expression now, and I want to test on this this string hello. Okay, so let's see what happens. So does this string regular expression using the test method? I'm testing this string. Let's see what happens. Yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to console log this one. Okay, refresh, it's false, obviously, because this string doesn't contain any of this. This string doesn't contain digits. For example, if I put 1 2 3 digit, let's see, it's false, still false, because what I've said here is begin with 1 2 3 digit and end, because it doesn't end, it has more string. What if I get rid of the string and just put 1 2 3? Let's see what happens. Now it's true. You see, now it's true. But if I want to test on this string which has number 3-digit as well as string, then what I can do is I can get rid of this so that doesn't end there. Okay, so in that case it becomes true because it doesn't end. So even though it continues with the string, but that's fine, because I removed the end and it works. So that's how regular expressions can be used. Okay, this is global. So there is quite a lot, and we can use this for form validation and stuff like that. Surely we can do more with regular expression, and I'm pretty sure I can do another few videos to explain regular expressions in more detail and probably in a practical context as well. All right, so this is it for this section. Now we're ready to move on to the next section, and I'll see you in the next section. Thank you.